Hi there, today I'm unboxing and demonstrating the TT Phone TT880. Let's get it open and take a look. So in the package I got the phone itself and an optional SIM card which already has top up on it. You can order the phone with or without one of these. And inside the packaging for the phone we have the phone itself, a replaceable battery for the phone, and a USB-C cable. You can order the phone with a mains charger if you require it, otherwise you can get it with just the cable. And we also have our warranty information, quick start guide, and the full manual. Always great to have proper paper guides and manuals so you can get started without having to go log in online and trawl around trying to find the information you need. Great to have paper manuals. So let's get the battery in and fire up the phone. So we're straight into a really simple, easy to navigate menu where just one thing is shown to you at a time. It's not confusing, not difficult to navigate. Really easy to use. One of the best features of this phone is that it's got a bright torch function. You don't need to use the menu at all. There's an actual proper slider switch on the side of the phone that will turn on the inbuilt torch, and it's really bright. Grab your phone, flick that one little switch and you're straight on. Additionally, on the rear of the phone is a button marked SOS. Using that, you can call the emergency services straight away and automatically text up to 5 family members or friends, all from the one button. The battery life is incredible at up to 5 days, plus it's got large, simple to use key buttons, with audible hints of what you're pressing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The phone is unlocked and will work with most major networks, except for Free and Smarty. And the phone can be supplied with a free SIM card with optional top-up already applied. So the TT Phone TT880. To find out more or to get yours, visit www.ttphone.com, the link for which is in the description below.